Agile Leaderships and Product Management Excellence Certifications. This course is ideal for aspiring product manager, anyone who is seeking to adopt agile methodologies within your organization. Who should enroll? Aspiring product manager, current product manager, product owners, project managers, software developers and engineers, UX and UI designer, business analyst, marketing professionals, team leaders and supervisors, entrepreneurs and startup founders, scrum masters. Learn from 15 tailored modules covering everything from the basics of Agile to advanced product strategies. Each module is crafted to enhance your understanding and skills progressively. Put your skills to the test with our capstone project, where you will apply what you have learned in a real-world scenario, solving actual product challenges. Gain proficiency in the latest Agile tools and technologies, from Figma to Jira, Jira Advanced Roadmap or Miro boards. Navigate these essential tools that will streamline your product management task. Learn directly from the industry experts through guest lecturers and exclusive workshops. Their insights will give you a competitive edge in the job market. Join a diverse community of learners. Whether you are local or international, our course caters to a wide range of time zone. Are you ready to step up and steer your career forward with the Agile Product Management? Space are limited. Browse today, explore more, enroll, download the brochures, and let us know. We will give you more details on that.